Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to order a replacement Tesco Club card in 2026. Now if your card is lost, damaged or stopped working, you can easily request a new one through the Tesco account. Now the replacement process takes only a few minutes and your points and the vouchers will stay linked to your account. So in order to do it, first of all, simply open your Tesco application on your phone. Over here, sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you sign in, you just have to simply look for the option of this club card section. After clicking on it, it is going to show you your recently club card which you are basically using. When you tap on it, you will be inside your club card where it is going to show you the information about your club card. It is also going to show the value of your club card plus some other points and the details. So inside the club card section, simply look for the option of replacing your club card. So here, as you can see, in the club card section, simply select the option of order a new card. Select order a plastic club card and choose the reason for ordering one. Confirm your club card address, whether it is right, and then simply select the option of confirm and order. So that's it. That's how you can get a new card in the post within 10 working days. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.